Good morning. Welcome to March 4th, 2026. Morning commute to work. Time is 6:25, 75 degrees. Here we go. Hope everyone have a lovely Tuesday night. We're halfway through the week. We have partly cloudy skies this morning. Looks like we're gonna get some rain in South Florida. Hope everyone had a nice Tuesday night. Yeah. And recharged and ready to go for Wednesday. The drive is going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. As we always do when we come to a traffic light, we take a look around to see what type of license plates we have from what state. And as we come to this stop here, we have all for Florida license plates. Just like normal holes, the normal traffic light, anywhere between 1 minute and a minute and a half. All equipment is locked down. We're traveling southbound this morning. Drop down in the comment where you're watching from, what city and state, and what's your current temperature, or even what country you're watching from. Just drop down what's your current temperature. Here we go. Very cloudy this morning. Definitely like we're going to get a shower or two. But yet and still, we're pressed on. Never know what you're going to see on the highways and byways. Well, we're moving right along. Pressing right along, and just sit back and enjoy the drive. Nice smooth drive this morning. Not too much traffic at 6:30 in the morning at 75 degrees. As we go through this light here, we'll approach our first speed trap. As we enter the zone. we're green across the board. Like I said, look like we're gonna get a few showers this afternoon or this morning. Temperature expected to be in the mid 80s. We'll see how things work out today. As we approach our marathon light, we'll see what's going on. What I mean by marathon light, for your first time viewers, this light usually hold anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes. As we come to this particular light, for as I can see, we have Florida license plates. Hope everyone have an awesome Wednesday. All I see is Florida license plates. And overcast skies. Here we go. Traffic is moving right along this morning. As we enter our second speed trap. Let's see what, listen here, I don't know what he's gonna do. He keep blinking and not turning. Here we go again with a blinker. I'm gonna give him a little room here. All right. As we clear our second speed zone, we're green across the board. Should have smooth sailing the rest of the way. Nice smooth drive. As we come to this light here, we take a look around. We have all Florida license plates. Here we go. Not too much traffic this morning. Everyone is moving right along, trying to get to their destination. You know, ever since we had the cold weather, I haven't seen any iguanas out. A little strange, but that's what cold weather do to them. I'm pretty sure they're out. I guess I haven't seen them. Just cruising right along. Take a look to the east. See, yes, we have a partly cloudy sunrise. The sun will rise, but we will have a partly cloudy. We won't have that beautiful South Florida sunrise this morning, but we look forward to the sun rising again. It's moving right along. 6:35 in the morning, 75 degrees in South Florida. Hope everyone feels comfortable with this ride. Thank you for riding with me this morning. Wow, this is a nice smooth ride. Like I always say, if you have watched the video to this point, I personally want to take and say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoy sharing it with you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment on what city and state you're watching from or any other comment you'd like to make. Let's make this an awesome Wednesday. Let's work as a team. Let's have positive energy. Let's accomplish all our goals today. Once again, I personally thank you for watching. As this video comes to a close, I want you to have an awesome day. And thank you for watching. See you tomorrow morning. Everyone have a great day.